everyone, I'm Dr. Dee and welcome to Discover Science. So we have a story with our scarecrow, our farmer, and we're in our wheat field, all right? And look here, here's our wheat growing well, and here's our scarecrow protecting the wheat field. And here are the sparrows. They can't get near the wheat because the scarecrow is working so hard. And he's protecting the field, and one day, he looks up and, what do you see? It's the moon. I love a crescent moon. It's beautiful, isn't it? And he's protecting the field again, and he looks up the next day, and the moon is bigger and bigger and bigger. And soon, before you know it, it's a full moon. So he notices the moon is changing every day. How is this happening? How does the moon change its shape? Discover Science. Today's materials: a moon envelope and black paper. So the moon changes its shape, gets smaller and bigger. Let's find out how it changes its shape. Maybe there's money inside. Maybe there's no money. Okay, we have, some black paper. Pull it right out there. Okay, and let's see. Okay, going inside. Let's use this side. Aha! No moon. And then I'm going to pull it out slowly. There's a small crescent moon, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and then a full moon, a new moon, right? And then we get, so you can see how it gets smaller or bigger using this tool. This is easy enough. All right. Let's go and find out a little bit more about the moon. Okay, so we saw how the moon gets bigger and smaller, right? And then gets a new moon. But how is this happening? What are we seeing? Okay, we see the sun every day, right? It's hot and burning, but the sun does not move. The sun is always there and it's still. The moon has an orbit. It means the moon is always spinning around. So does Earth. We're on Earth, so we move around. The moon moves around, but the sun is always there. So the sun reflects on the moon, and the part of the moon we see that's reflected from the sun is the size of the moon we see every night. So the moon cannot shine on its own like the sun. At night, the moon's appearance is the reflection of the sun's light on the moon. Also, the moon orbits around the Earth once a month, okay? So it takes almost 30 days. Depending on the moon's position, the reflection of the sun's light changes. So that's why the shape of the moon we see changes every day. Okay, and don't forget, there are some names for every size of the moon we see. For example, this is a full moon, and then when we go once over again, it becomes a new moon. But what about all the different sizes? There are some names. They're a little difficult, so try it on your own.